at the LKM. So for their benefit, let's quickly decode and put out these names. The mega list has been accessed by Times Now. We'll go by the list one by one. These are the list of 25 plus probables who again, remember, will be a part of the Modi Cabinet 3.0. The first big name is Amit Shah. Amit Shah is at the LKM. We'll flash those names beginning one by one. Also try to put on those images that have been captured by our cameras. Dr. S. Jaishankar, Nitin Gadkari, Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, Rao Inderjeet, Manohar Lal Khattar, Krishna Pal Gurjar, Dharmendra Pradhan. All of them, remember, ladies and gentlemen, are at the LKM as we speak. Let's continue to get you more details. Nirmala Sitharaman, again at the LKM. Jitin Prasad, again at the LKM. Rajnath Singh, who's won in Lucknow, remember, and there has been a lot of focus, I'm told, also on the state of Uttar Pradesh, which the BJP obviously was not, expecting these kind of reverses in particular. So Uttar Pradesh again has got to be a focus. Bihar is the next big focus. Also the allies, Chirag Paswan, Harsh Malhotra, Bhagirath Chaudhary, Kiran Rijiju, H.D. Kumaraswamy, Arjun Ram Meghwal, Nityanand Rai, Bandi Kumar Sanjay, what JVC was just alluding towards, J. Kishan Reddy, Jitin Ram Manji, Ravneet Singh Bittu. All these are names of the probable Modi 3.0 cabinet who is right now at the LKM. Pragya, we've read about 22 plus names. Any more additions that you have seen, Pragya, going in? Any last minute calls that possibly have gone in, or essentially the cabinet is looking full now? Okay, I don't think Pragya can hear me, but we'll try to get her back. She's, remember, just outside the LKM, the images of which you see on the extreme left of your screens. On the right of your screens, in fact, are individuals who've received calls and then they've headed to the LKM for the Chai Pe Charcha with Pradhan Mantri. He's got to be speaking to all of them. The larger message of continuity of consensus, I think, that is written large over all these names that you have seen. Now, a lot of important focus has gone into the allies, the states of both Andhra, the state of Bihar again. And do remember, ladies and gentlemen, a lot of states that have done spectacularly well for the BJP this time around, including the state of Odisha, have got a special focus. And you're looking at the Prime Minister continuing with that focus, Pragya. I hope you can hear me this time around. Any more last-minute additions, Pragya, or the cabinet now is looking almost full?
I think for today, everyone who needs to be at 7 LKM is already inside. They are already having Chai Pe Charcha with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And this is the hand-picked team. Remember, these are the people who are chosen by a Prime Minister because he says this Modi 3.0 is very important, crucial to ensure that that India becomes a developed country. Road to Viksit Bharat goes from this Modi 3.0. The vision is ready, the plan is ready. Obviously, Prime Minister knew that they are coming with the majority, and given by the numbers the NDA has a majority way beyond 272 mark. They have a plan ready for 125 days, and youth becomes a very important factor in that, along with technology. So all the plan that is there in Prime Minister's vision, they are ready. And I think not here, but Prime Minister will be interacting with them, greeting them, congratulating them, and will be telling them what is expected of them. So, and we will see all these faces today also in the evening when at the President House they will take oath as part of Modi Cabinet Council of Ministers.
Just hold on to that thought. Let's, because it's a day of a lot of fast-paced developments, let's break our next important update. Now, sources telling Times Now that the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge will be attending the swearing-in ceremony. The decision has been taken after the consultation with the India bloc leaders, and Kharge is stressing the fact that he's attending the ceremony as the LOP in the Rajya Sabha. Niyamika, so the, Congress in particular, not mincing their words, trying to assert the fact that he's going to be attending the ceremony as the LOP in the Rajya Sabha.
has been taken by Mallikarjun Kharge after consultation with the other India alliance partners, and as he is going to attend this oath ceremony, he will be present there in the capacity of the leader of opposition in Rajya Sabha. As yesterday evening, he has got a call for getting an invite to attend the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's swearing-in ceremony, and today he has finally taken a decision of attending this ceremony after consultation with the other alliance partners, as he is going to be there as the leader of opposition in Rajya Sabha. Yesterday, we have seen that how Congress party had made
Priyanka, I just have a very bad audio line with you. We'll just try to correct that and get you back. But what we are learning is that the Congress's Mallikarjun Kharge is going to be attending the swearing-in ceremony that begins at 7:15, and we are also given to understand that the Congress continues to assert that they will attend the ceremony only because Mallikarjun Kharge is the LOP in the Rajya Sabha.